Skapach en droog dan weer is waar de gelegenheid met wie nog gemaakt in allen vars naar hem is Ronjelse storm naar Bichertse bron de wochel dat zogen we de vrede Jenen de koort, bij je daar door generen. Zwaag ik je bar, is gebracht, waar is vlaanderen. De vlag galband, dat alles geglaat, snigot in klar Stavietin Gerard tussen Magra, neer Vaglager
Good evening, everybody. How are you? Hope you're keeping well. Thanks for joining us this cold and wintry Friday evening as part of the live sessions in An Coire. It's lovely to be here to play for the next hour, along with you joining me and the fantastic two apprentices I have here, Dermot and Bruno. Thank you so much. So I'm going to just do a mixture this evening of covers and a couple of my own songs. And thank you. So this is the first wee cover. I think you'll know it. So. Black is the color of my true love's hair. Her lips are like summer roses fair. She has the sweetest smile and the gentlest hands, and I love the ground whereon she stands. my love, oh, she knows. I love the ground whereon she goes. Wish the day, well, it soon would come, she and I could be as one. Black is the color of my true love's hair. Her lips are like some roses fair. She has the sweetest smile and the gentlest hands, and I love the ground on where she stands. Go to the Clyde, mourn and weep, satisfied I never could be. Then I write her a letter, it's just a few short lines, but I suffered death 1,000 times. Black is the color of my true love's hair. Her lips are like some roses fair. She has the sweetest smile and the gentlest hands. Oh, I love the ground where she stands. 'Cause I love the ground where she stands. 'Cause I love the ground where she stands. And I love the ground where she stands. Thank you very much. Thank you. Like again, I said before, thanks for joining us on this Friday evening. It's been lovely to come along here in this lovely wee makeshift room, live coming from the An Coire. And it's a bit different because for the last, obviously, since March, live music has been very much cut out completely. So it's nice to get back. It's very weird actually coming back and playing, because it's just been practices from here and there and actually getting out and singing the odd Facebook Live, but it's nice to come along and do this. So thanks for joining me. It's a wee song called Better Place. It's one of my own. Nothing's gonna stop me now. It's like I've been back here before, to look for the spark that's been removed. It's like I'd somewhere left to go, and now your love is like a liquor, it's flowing through my soul. And my life is so much bigger, but together we'll grow old. And you played into my heart right out from my soul with your love and melody. Life is like a better place I need. Remember when we had this all worked out? Sunday evening rendezvous. 'Cause you took my hand, my head, my heart. You kept them safe just with your own. And now your love is like a liquor flowing through my soul. And my life, it seems much bigger, for together we'll grow old. And you played into my heart right out from my soul with your love and melody. Life is like that better place I need. Life is like that better place I need. Oh. And now your love is like a liquor flowing through my soul. Life, it seems much bigger, for together we'll grow old. And you played into my heart right out from my soul with your love and melody. Out of my heart right in from my soul with your love and melody. You played out from my heart right into my soul with your love and melody. Life is like a better place I need. Oh, life is like that better place I need. You see, your life is like a better place I need. Thank you very much. Lovely to see the comments coming up. Can't beat live music. Thank you so much. It's actually nice. It's a bit different, because normally if you're out in the bar or if you're out playing a gig, you get that interaction live, but it's a wee bit different whenever you get it on the screen. But it's still lovely. Thank you so much for tuning in. Lovely to see you all. So I suppose during what we call lockdown, it's been a bit different in terms of what us live musicians do and what we do as artists, and it's been a real struggle. But at the same time, we never really lost the music, so it was nice to have, that go-to place. And a thing for me was, I suppose, it was trying to record even throughout the whole of the lockdown. And today I actually released an EP called Back to Being Me. And I suppose it was the end of a chapter of a collection of 5 songs that helped me sort of grow as an artist and try and get music back out into, I suppose, something I love doing, back out to people again. And one of the songs from it was Getting Good at Good. I'm going to sing it to you now. It was lovely to write the song. It just came together in about 10 minutes, and it was written the evening, unfortunately, Caroline Flack passed away. And it was just about getting out of a bad place and realising that you've got good people beside you and people there that care. So this is called Getting Good at Good. I'm getting good at good. I knew someday I could. And you can get good at good if you let good in. Sometimes the dark gets in, but you can't let it win. Head up, reach out your hand, and we'll find the light. Get you through the night. And I know this life gets heavy, and I know you feel alone, but I'm here to tell you that you're never on your own. You're never on your own, 'cause I got you. This world can get you down, and you can't just hit that ground. Head up, reach out your hand, and we'll find the light. Get you through the night. And I know this life gets gets heavy, and I know you feel alone, but I'm here to tell you that you're never on your own. You're never on your own, 'cause I got you, and you can come right through this, and I will take you into my heart. Come right through all this darkness and realize that this is a start. And I know this life gets heavy, and I know you feel alone, but I'm here to tell you that you're never on your own. And I know this life gets heavy, and I know you feel alone, but I'm here to tell you that you're never on your own. You're never on your own. You're never on your own. You're never on your own, 'cause I got you. I'm getting good at good. I knew someday I could. You can't get good at good if you let good in. Cheers. I suppose as part of a cover artist, you know, whenever you're out and about, it is the cover songs that you get to play back to people and get them to sing along with. And it's nice whenever I'm out doing gigs here and there, it's nice to throw in the originals as well, because I think it's important, especially as all us artists do, we do write, so it's nice to give something back and try stuff out. So I'm going to sing this wee song here. I love this wee song. It's a wee Beatles number, so. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to you, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. When the broken-hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer, let it be. For though they may be parted times, there's still a chance that they will see. There will be an answer, let it be. Well, let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. 'Cause there will be an answer, let it be. When the night is cloudy, still the light it shines right down on me. Shine out till tomorrow, let it be. And When I wake up to the sound of music merry, well, she comes to me. She's speaking words of wisdom. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. There will be an answer, let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be, oh, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. There will be an answer, let it be. Speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Thank you very much. Cheers. Lovely to see everybody hopping on. John, thank you. Brona, Morris, thank you very much. It's Judith and An Coire, thank you. So I'm just going to put this wee capo on here and do a wee bit of tuning just to make sure that everything's as good as it can be. Like I say, thanks again. It's lovely to have this interaction with everybody. It beats sitting in the living room trying to learn Luis Capaldi or Justin Bieber. This wee song's off my first album. The first album was called Bright Lights on Broadway. And as part of one of the nights after the album launch, we got to come back in here in An Coire, An Coire, and do a night, which was lovely. It was absolutely beautiful to do. And, you know, I had my cousin there that night, Ali Bradley, and I was accompanied by Emily Kelly and violin. It was just a lovely atmosphere. It was nice to give something back and have that chance to interact with people on the stage, which was good. And that's something I miss as an artist, and something we all miss as live performers. And one of the songs off the album, probably one of my favourite, is called Old House, because it's about my old house. It's about the house I live in with my three girls, and before that with Daniel as well. And it's really about, we all have our homes, we all have, you know, that go-to place and that safety net, and it's about, you know, come in, you're always welcome. So I'm going to sing this wee song. It's called Old House. This old house still has its lights on, and this old house is standing strong. Many a memory to enlighten us, many stories yet to come, and it holds us, helps us see. Inside here we can always be free. When your heart's down, keep your head high, and your love can always get us by. But this old house is you, and this old house is me, and this old house is family. It's always where I'll be. Step into its doors and see these girls and boys, and every time I close my eyes, I hear them laugh with joy in this old house. Oh, oh, yeah. Inside my house you'll hear my children. Inside my house we beat as one. Sometimes life it seems a struggle, In this old house is where we're strong, but it holds us, helps us see. Inside here we can always be free. When your heart's down, keep your head high, and your love can always get you by. But this old house is you, and this old house is me, and this old house is family. It's always where we'll be. And stepping through its doors and hear my girls and boys, and every time I hear them laugh, I laugh with joy. In this old house, in this old house, in this old house, oh, yeah. This old house might have its problems, and this old house will keep me safe. And you can look in through the outside, but inside love is all it takes. But this old house is you, and this old house is me, and this old house is family. It's always where we'll be. And stepping through its doors and see these girls and boys, and every time I close my eyes, I hear them laugh with joy. In this old house, yeah, in this old house, oh, oh, in this old house, this old house, this old house, this old house. Thank you very much. Cheers. Thank you. Thanks, everybody. I think that was the weird thing about the Facebook Lives. It's that visual, it's that physical interaction you have with people, the crowds and stuff. People looking come up and sing Wagon Wheel or Hit the Duff and stuff like that. That you just don't play anyway. But you sort of miss that. You miss the interaction with people, and you miss people coming up and asking you to play their favourite song, and that's what was difficult, because you didn't have that. You had it all on a screen in front of you, and sometimes it's hard to do, and psychologically hard to do as well. Let me see. I'm going to do another couple of covers here. Let me see. How are we for time anyway? We're flying through rightly, aren't we? Let's see. All right, I'm going to play a sweet song. I love it. So this is called Walking in Memphis, and I remember my first real gig up in Draperstown, Morris Reagan's, and it was one of the songs I was learning. I got really to play, and it was a lovely response to it, so it really sticks and resonates with me, because it's such a lovely song by Mark Cohen. But I think I remember the Cher version. Put on my blue suede shoes and I boarded the plane. Touchdown in the land of the Delta Blues, in the middle of the pouring rain. W.C. Handy, won't you look down over me? Man, I got a first class ticket, but I'm as blue as a boy can be. Walking in Memphis, just walking with my feet 10 feet off a beat. Walking in Memphis, but do you really feel the way I feel? Well, the ghosts of Elvis down on Union Avenue followed him up to the gates of Graceland. Then I watched him walk right through. Now security, they did not see him. They hovered around his tomb. But there's a pretty little thing waiting for the king down at the Jungle Room. When I go walking in Memphis, walking with my feet 10 feet off a beat, walking in Memphis, do you really feel the way I feel? Oh yeah. And they got catfish on the tables, they got gospel in the air. Ooh, ooh. Reverend Green, glad to see you. You haven't got a prayer. Oh, boy, you got that prayer in Memphis. Muriel plays piano every Friday at the Hollywood, and she asked me down to see her, and I said, oh well, I would just play that little number. So I sang with all my might. She said, now tell me, are you that Christian boy? And I said, man, I am tonight, walking in Memphis, walking with my feet 10 feet off a beat, walking in Memphis. But do you really feel the way I feel when I go walking in Memphis? When I go walking with my feet 10 feet off a beat, walking in Memphis. But do you really feel way I feel? Yeah, oh. Put on my blue suede shoes and I boarded the plane. Touchdown in the land of the Delta Blues, in the middle of the pouring rain. Touchdown in the land of the Delta Blues, in the middle of the pouring rain. In the middle of the pouring rain. Thank you very much. Cheers. An Coire. Such a lovely song. It's beautiful on the piano. Just going to get a note here and make sure things are tuned up. So it's lovely. Look, I'm reading all your messages here in front of me. So just let me know where you're tuning in from. I know there's a lovely wee number of people there from back home in Mahara. And it's lovely to be up here in An Coire. I mean, what you give back to the community is just fantastic in terms of the facility and what you do for Irish music, for traditional music, for local music and for local musicians. And I really appreciate you having me here tonight. So thanks to Dermot and Bruno as well for all this here. Thank you. Yeah, it's the sound effects button. Right, let's see. I'm going to do another song on my own. I wrote this wee song. It's on the new EP that was released today. Did I mention that already? Yeah. So Back to Being Me is a collection of 5 songs. I would have loved to have done an album, but we just obviously with lockdown again and everything that's happened this year, it was impossible to get that many tracks down. And we run out of time. And I'm a big believer in once you get something written and once you have it ready to go, just release it out there for people to listen to. So it's been very nice. Tune in from Dublin. Oh, David Flanagan, thank you. Tune in from Dublin. Good on you. So this song's New Day, and it's really about coming through a time we need to get up and realise that, look, life has to go on, you have to move forward, and there's so much beauty out there, so many beautiful people, and so many beautiful people around you to try and help you through. And it was nice, this album's very positive, these songs are really positive. I was told to stop writing sad songs, but I'm going to play one after this. So it's nice to have upbeat songs, and songs that sort of give people a sort of an energy, and the feedback's been lovely. So I'd like you to, if you can, hop onto Spotify or Apple iTunes. Yeah, get a listen to it. That's my plug done, isn't it? So this is called New Day. Morning sun is shining through the trees. The birds are singing sweet songs to the bees. I got a feeling it's gonna be alright. Hear a love song on the radio. Put on my shoes and I get ready to go. Open the door and I'll walk into this candlelight. Gotta be the one to make a stand. I know that all our love will understand, and I'll start to walk along this path I take to a brand new day. Yeah, yes it is. To a brand new day. Yeah, yes it is. Take a stroll along a beautiful lake. I'll write a love song from my soulmate. I'll take some time and I'll give thanks for all I have. Think about all that I want to do. I know that all I have will include you. We'll finally get that little cottage by the sea. Gotta be the one to make a stand. I know that all of love will understand, and I'll start to walk along this path I make to a brand new day. Yeah, yes it is. To a brand new day. Yeah, yes it is. My heart is telling me that it will be okay, and I know, yes I do. So let's walk into this brand new day. Let's walk, just me and you. Gotta be the one to make a stand. I know that all of love will understand, and I'll start to walk along this path I make. Hear a love song on the radio. Put on my shoes and I get ready to go, and I'll start to walk along this path I make to a brand new day. Yeah, yes it is. To a brand new day. Yeah, yes it is. To a brand new day. Yeah, yes it is. To a brand new day. Yeah, yes it is. Thank you very much. Cheers. It's a new day. It's off the new EP. Thank you very much. It's lovely to see you all hopping up there. Let's see. Thank you so much, Josie and Jerry. Donners on Morris, Shemmy Haney, thank you. Like I say, it's just so nice to get back into the swing of things again and play. I'm going to sing a wee song that really, suppose it sort of resonated. It resonated right around the globe for me in terms of its reach and who it got to and the response. And it was the Since You're Not Around song that I wrote for my brother. And it had been one of the sort of the common themes, with sort of trying to promote mental health awareness and suicide awareness, and something that has to be talked about, not shied away from. The taboo of it, and we all know somebody affected, and more so now in this lockdown period where people are struggling, people are trying to reach out, and I know the help's there. It's hard to get. It's hard to get because of what's going on and where people are. Don't be scared to lift the phone and ring somebody because you do matter. You do matter. So this song, I suppose it really sort of resonated for me whenever we got messages back from people all around the globe and the likes of Canada and Germany and stuff like that there. So it's called Since You're Not Around. It's really written as a way of sort of trying to process somebody that's not here anymore, somebody who's passed away, but still remembering that they're just beside you. They're here to walk this journey with you. You might not see them, but they're there keeping an eye on you. So this is called Since You're Not Around, and this is for anybody who has lost somebody to suicide. The song is for you, every line. And as I stare out of this window of mine, think too much, but now it's down on a page. Lost a piece of my heart and it still feels strange. For you I'll hold my head up high. And I wonder what you're doing if you're way up there, here by my side or all around in the air. And I can tell you it's been crazy, still break down. Sometimes I find it hard to keep my feet on the ground since you're not around. Since you're not around, you're not around. You're not around, it's like you're always around. You're not around. I can still see your face when I close my eyes. Still hear your voice, it's like you're just by my side. Time gets tough, I've just had enough. Well, I'll remember how you made me smile. And I wonder what you're doing if you're way up there, here by my side or all around in the air. I can tell you it's been crazy, still break down. Sometimes I find it hard to keep both feet on the ground. Since you're not around, since you're not around, you're not around. You're not around, it's like you're always around. You're not around, oh yeah. Wondering what I'd asked you since you left us that way. When we meet again, we'll have plenty to say. Now I've got a lot to live in a world down here. Just look out for me year after year, year after year. Look out for me year after year. Since you're not around, you're not around, you're not around. It's like you're always around. You're not around. Since you're not around, you're not around. When you're not around, I keep both feet on the ground. You're not around, since you're not around. Oh. Thank you very much, folks. That's Since You're Not Around. It's lovely to see people I know hopping on here. Thank you very much. There's Desi. Jerry, thank you very much. David, thank you. So let's see if we can pick out another wee cover. I love playing such a range of songs, which is nice. So let me see. Right, I'm gonna try this wee one here. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light you'll see, well, I won't be afraid, no, I won't be alone, just as long as you stand by me. And darling, darling, stand by me. 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 She's a maniac, maniac on the floor. And she's dancing like she never did before. She's a maniac, maniac on the floor. And she's dancing like she never did before. 'Cause I got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I got the month of May. 'Cause I guess you say, well, what can make me feel this way, my girl? We're talking about my girl, my girl. I got so much honey, the birds envy me. And I got a sweet, sweet song, the birds in the trees. 'Cause I guess you say, well, what can make me feel this way, my girl? Just talking about my girl. Whoa. She's a maniac, maniac on the floor. And she's dancing like she never did before. She's a maniac, maniac on the floor. And she's dancing like she never did before. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only thing I see, well, I won't be alone, no, I won't be afraid, just as long as you stand by me. Stand by me. Stand by me. Stand by me. So a wee bit of a mashup. That's for Donner McErlane. He always challenged me with songs to mix together, just like My Girl, Maniac 2000, and Stand By Me. So that's my wee version of that. Coming down to the last couple of songs, I think, aren't we? We're getting near the finishing up period. So I've got a couple of songs to finish with. The last couple of songs. One is the title track of the EP, which is called Getting Back to Being Me. And it was a lovely process that we had with this song. We got to bring flute onto it, and Irish flute as that. And we got to sort of experiment with different styles rather than bringing a lot of electric that was on the first album and big production. We got to sort of strip it back and work with acoustic, and it was really nice to work along with Paul Casey, Liam Bradley and Nicky Scott, and these people all are the elite. You know, they all work with the likes of Van Morrison, all that sort of stuff. John McCullough on piano, and Coetzee on the flute. So it was nice to do that, and it was nice to bring something that I had sort of sat down and created on guitar, and add the likes of banjo and flute and drum and all that sort of stuff. So it's a beautiful process. So if you get a chance, you can check it out. Last two songs, I want to thank you again so much for listening and for tuning in for the last hour. It's been fantastic. It's been lovely to come here and play. I must admit it was quite exciting earlier on. I used to use nervous excitement. Because it's been a while since we've done this. Like I say, it's okay sitting in the living room, thrashing out a few songs. But when you know there's people watching, it's nice to come and put a performance on for you with the help of Jeremy and Bruno. Thank you so much. So I'm going to another wee cover before I finish with Back to Being Me. And this is a song I love doing. I've actually taken it and I'm going to release it as a single after Christmas. And we did a bit of work and tried to make it a bit more traditional, add a bit of violin and change it rather, because anybody can sing a cover song, but sometimes it's nice to put your own stamp on it. So thank you. This is Something Inside So Strong. I'm going to dedicate this to Angela, my partner. How you build your barriers, the taller I become, the further you take my rights away, faster I will run. You can deny me, you can decide to turn your face away, no matter, 'cause there's something inside so strong, and I know that I can make it when you're doing me wrong, so wrong. You thought that my pride was gone, oh no, something inside so strong, something inside so strong. The more you refuse to hear my voice, the louder I will sing. You hide behind walls of Jericho, those walls will come tumbling. Deny my place in time, you squander wealth that's mine. My light will shine so brightly it will blind you, because there's something inside so strong. I know that I can make it when you're doing me wrong, so wrong. You thought that my pride was gone, oh yeah. There's something inside so strong, yeah. There's something inside so strong. We're brothers and sisters when they insist you're just not good enough. you can do better. Look him in the eyes and say, we're gonna do it anyway. 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 There's something inside so strong. I know that I can make it when you're doing me wrong, so wrong. You thought that my pride was gone, oh no. There's something inside so strong, yeah. There's something inside so strong, yeah. There's something inside so strong. There's something inside so strong. Something inside so strong, yeah. Thank you very much. Something inside so strong. Thank you, Jackie, Roisin, Marty, Desi. Cheers. It's lovely to be fit to see who's tuning in. It's lovely. This is going to be the last song for tonight. I'd like to thank Dermot, Bruno, Angela, everybody watching at home. Thank you so much for tuning in. I know it's Friday night. It's not really much else you can be at, but it's nice to have the support. It's nice to have you support An Coire and An Coire and what they do here. And tell your friends, share it. Share what these wonderful people do and the support that they give to local music and give you a chance to hear it. I know it's not live in your own living room, but at least you get a chance to watch us give something back. So, Back to Being Me. This is the title track of the EP. Anybody going through a hard time? Don't worry, we'll get back to being you soon enough. Getting back to being me. Well, it's exactly what you see. I may have been burnt to the ground. It's my own time around for getting back to being me. Being me. You start to wonder what it's for. When one door closes, opens more. Your path is there to see. Grab your courage and belief for getting back to being me. Being me. It takes a long, long road to travel, a great big heart to heal. You get a lot of satisfaction getting back to being me, yeah. Being me. Being me. It's only now you start to see the color that this life bleeds. Just hold your head up very high, keep on aiming for the sky, and get right back to being me. Being me. It takes a long, long road to travel, a great big heart to heal. You'll get a lot of satisfaction getting back to being me, yeah. Being me. Just getting back to being me. Being me. And God knows, well, I've been on my knees, and He swore, well, all the pain it will ease. And I know, well, it's a great hill to climb. Most of the time, I know I'll survive. Getting back to being me, yeah. Being me. Just getting back to being me. Getting back to being me. Getting back to being me, yeah. Getting back to being me, yeah. Getting back to being me, oh yeah, back to being me, getting back to being me, getting back to being me. Getting back being me. Thank you very much, folks. Really appreciate you tuning in. I've been James Bradley. Thanks to Dermy, Bruno, and all of you for watching. Hope you have a lovely evening. Share away and tune in next week. We've got Jack Warnock on and a special guest. So thank you very much for your support. Good night.